Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Fixing JSON serialization errors, a comprehensive tutorial. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a ubiquitous data format used for exchanging data between systems, especially in web APIs. While relatively simple in structure, JSON serialization and deserialization can often throw errors, leading to frustration and broken applications. This tutorial aims to equip you with a comprehensive understanding of common JSON serialization errors and practical strategies to fix them, complete with code examples. Understanding JSON serialization and deserialization. Before diving into the errors, let's clarify the process. Serialization, encoding converting an object in your programming language, example Python dictionary, Java object, JavaScript object, into a JSON string. This process prepares your data for